Mixing different types of wires, such as CL2 and NMB, through the same hole in a ceiling plate is not permitted due to several critical factors. Firstly, it presents a fire hazard. CL2 wire is specifically designed for low voltage applications typically found in doorbell systems or similar low power circuits. NMB wire, on the other hand, is designed for high voltage applications such as standard household electrical circuits operating at 120 volts. Mixing wires with vastly different insulation ratings significantly increases the risk of an electrical fire should a short circuit or an overload occur. The lower voltage rated insulation of the CL2 wire may not be able to withstand the higher voltage or current from the NMB wire, potentially leading to insulation breakdown, arcing, and ultimately a fire. Secondly, building codes explicitly prohibit mixing different types of wires in the same enclosure. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, which is widely adopted and enforced, addresses this directly. Specifically, NEC Article 300.4. These states that conductors of different systems, circuits, or voltages shall not be placed in the same raceway, cable, box, or enclosure. This is a fundamental safety rule intended to prevent the hazards associated with mixing incompatible wiring systems. This code requirement ensures that if a fault occurs in one system, it will not propagate or negatively impact the other system due to proximity. Thirdly, compatibility issues can arise from mixing wire types. Different wires have varying physical properties, including size, flexibility, and insulation thickness. CL2 wire is often smaller and more flexible than NMB wire. Combining them in the same hole can cause difficulties in making proper connections and maintaining insulation integrity. The smaller CL2 wire may not be adequately secured alongside the larger NMB wire, leading to loose connections or damage to the insulation. It is crucial to ensure that all wiring connections are secure and that insulation remains intact to prevent electrical hazards. For proper practice, instead of mixing wire types in the same hole, always use a separate hole for each type of wire. This ensures safety and compliance with electrical codes. If multiple wires need to pass through the same general area, use a larger ceiling plate with multiple holes. Alternatively, run the wires through separate holes in adjacent ceiling joists, maintaining a safe distance between different wiring systems. This method prevents interference and ensures that each wire type operates within its design parameters. When installing or modifying electrical wiring, always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all work is done safely and in accordance with local and national electrical codes. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in serious consequences, including electrical shock, fire, and property damage. Maintaining the integrity of electrical systems is essential for safety and reliability in any building.